Hey everybody, Massachusetts Prepper here. Well, today's February 4th. We're hovering right around 50 degrees. I want to bring y'all out here just so I can show you the activity we got going on out here. As you can see, quite a bit of activity, except for in the last two hives down there. There doesn't seem to be much going on down there. We're fixing to get in here though and see what we got going on. As you can see, there's a lot of bees on the side of the building, the garage, everything, but a lot of activity in these first three hives. We're going to take this opportunity, this nice warm day, to get in here and check on their feed. Got on all my bee garb here because there's lots of bees. They're using the bathroom everywhere out here, but we're gonna get into each one of these hives and see how they're doing. I'm gonna start off on the ones way down here because this seems to be where there's the least amount of activity, and I want to check on these guys, or these girls, first. So you're seeing it as I see it. There's still quite a few bees in the cluster right here. These guys just ain't out flying much, but they've got plenty of sugar. This hive I'm a little concerned about. I don't see a whole lot of activity. This is the red hive, but there is bees coming in and out. And I'm not going to go any further than right there. As you see, we've got the whole cluster up here. These guys are good, but I still need to check for feed. So I'm going to end up really pissing them off. But I've got to check for feed. They still got lots of sugar, as you can see. We're just taking little quick peeks. So these guys are doing well as well. Still got a lot of feed. These guys are going to be ornery. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. You can see just a mass of bees here. And we're going to pop it real quick and look. Yeah, they're just raising hell on the sugar and on the pollen. So these guys are going to need more pollen, more sugar. And now we'll get into this purple hive. We just put sugar cakes on that one. So we're going to throw some sugar cakes in on this one. So we're just going to take a quick peek on here. Yeah, they need sugar. Okay, just give y'all a quick look. Got some more sugar cakes going in here. Yeah, I got bee poop all over my camera, all over me, because they're out here defecating and getting everything cleaned out that they can clean out. But those two hives down there, I was concerned about them, but really they're strong too. There's a lot of bees in the cluster. There's a lot of bees in this box that are just starting to move up around the sugar. I should probably put some sugar on these two just to be on the safe side. There you have it, guys. A day when we got a 50-degree temperature. Checking on the bees. All 5 hives are still alive. Bees up there sunning themselves, all taking advantage of getting out here, taking a crap. As you can see, sun's starting to go down, so they're all starting to go back in their prospective hives now. All 5 colonies are still doing good. John, I know you had asked me about that one with the reflecting on it. Well, as you've seen, there's still quite a cluster of bees in there. And, you know, it's a nucleus colony, double stacked, and February 4th, and boy, well, I'll tell you, we have had some cold weather. Will you survive whatever comes your way? If your beehives make it through winter, you just might. This is the Massachusetts Prepper saying, take care all.